Hi, third video. Yeah. Okay, so remember when I said I was gonna talk about something? Okay, so about the video before, the vector one. Guess what? They called me back and they're like, "Oh, hi, you called." I'm like, "Yeah, about the interview tomorrow. I don't want to go." And then she's like, "What?" And I'm like, "Oh, I don't have time on Monday." She's like, "Oh, I can reschedule the appointment." I'm like, "No, I just don't want to go. I don't feel like going. I don't want to go." She's like, "Okay." She didn't sound very happy. So, you know what? Screw you, vector marketing. You're a scam. Get over yourself. So this is part two of the first one. I could have got this in, but like they called me like right after I finished the video. So, yeah. For at the end of the other one, I said I was going to talk about something, but I'm not going to talk about that until like the next video because this is just part two. So, thanks for watching again. Appreciate it. Bye. See ya.